If you are not losing fat right now, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're doing this wrong. And most people don't even realize. Quick one, this isn't about motivation or willpower. Most people I work with are not lazy. They are just making a few mistakes that completely stall progress. And the most frustrating part is they think they're doing everything right. So let's go through it. First one, you are eating more than you think. I hear this all the time. I'm eating healthy, but I'm not losing weight. Cool. But fat loss does not care if you're eating clean or not. You can eat chicken, rice, avocado, all good foods, but still be eating too many calories. And this is where people get caught out because they're not eating badly, they're just eating too much without realizing. Cooking oils, sauces, snacks, bigger portions, it all adds up quickly. I've had people generally eating in a surplus thinking they're dieting properly. You can eat clean and still gain weight. Calories matter. Another big one, inconsistency. Monday to Friday, you are on it. The meals are good, the steps are up. Come the weekend, you're a different person. A few drinks, takeaway, snacks, and all of a sudden, the whole week's gone. And people think, it will balance out. It's been a good week. It doesn't work like that. Most people don't even realize they're doing this. They just think they're having a few bad days. You don't need a perfect diet. You just need a consistent one. Another one I see all the time, your protein's too low. If you are always hungry whilst dieting, it's probably this. Protein helps you stay full. It helps you keep muscle and it makes dieting that little bit easier. That I need something sweet feeling at night, half the time, it's just because your meals wasn't set up properly during the day. That's why most people struggle so much with dieting. They're fighting hunger all the time. If you hit your protein targets, everything gets that little bit easier. If your protein is low, dieting is gonna feel way harder than it needs to be. Now, this one, people don't like hearing. You are not tracking properly. If you are not tracking food, you are not dieting. You are guessing. And we are terrible at guessing. People are like, I eat around 2,000 calories a day, but when they actually track their food, it's more like 2,500 or more. And that's not a dig. Everybody does it. And that's why people get frustrated because they feel like they're doing everything right. But if you do not know what you're eating, you can't adjust it. If you are not tracking, you're just hoping it works. Last one, and this catches people out. You are not giving it long enough. You do things properly for a week, maybe two, but if the scale doesn't drop immediately, you're thinking it's not working. But fat loss does not happen overnight. Your weight can fluctuate day to day from water, food, stress, sleep. So what happens? People quit right before it would have started working. This is probably the most frustrating one because they are actually so close. If you just stick to it a bit longer, you'd see progress. Just because it's not instant does not mean it's not working. So if you actually want this to work, track your food properly, get your protein in, stay consistent across the week and give it enough time to work. Do that and fat loss becomes a lot simpler than people make it. And if you want help setting this up properly, calories, training, all of it, links in the description. That's where you can apply to work with me and I'll show you exactly how we'd structure it for you.